Hello there and welcome to another video. And in this video, I will be going over how you can set up your Shopify payments without needing an SSN. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. First, you need to head over to your settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then you need to navigate to the payments section. On this page, you will need to check if Shopify Payments is available as a method, and if it's not available, proceed to edit your store details, specifically the billing information and location. From here, you'll need to choose United States as your location, provide your address accurately, and save the changes. Once you've updated your store details, return to the payment section. You should now be able to see Shopify Payments available. Click on Activate Shopify Payments and follow the prompts. Eventually, you'll be asked to provide business information, including a social security number, SSN. Now, let's talk about an SSN and why it's required. So, Shopify, like many payment processors, requires this information for legal and regulatory purposes. However, if you're not from the United States and don't have an SSN, you can use an EIN, which is an employer identification number, as an alternative. Though it is essential to provide this information to ensure your business complies with the necessary regulations, as not doing so will kind of make it seem illegal. Once you've filled out all the required details, including your business information and of course additional owner information if applicable, submit for verification. Normally the verification process takes some time and you will likely receive confirmation via email. And yeah, well, that's it. If you followed the steps I just mentioned, you would have successfully set up your Shopify payments without needing an SSN. And if this video gave you tips or insights on how to go about setting up your Shopify payments without needing an SSN, then of course do well to leave a like on the video and of course subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.